Hello dear traveler, so you just seen my 65 euros view, which I wouldn't have unless I would pay 65 euros for late check-in, which happened when I was flying from Prague to Bergamo. I really recommend to fly on this route when it's nice weather, because I've seen a huge part of Alps, as you could have seen. And what was very special about it, that I have actually biked through most of that part as well, and I've been there also for other occasions, so it was really nice to see all of this kind of join together. And as I said, I only got this seat because I didn't check in online by myself. I missed it by 6 minutes, and then I had to pay, and they allocated me to the very first row, this extra leg room, so at least I had that, and I had actually aisle seat. But when we got where the video starts, above Innsbruck, I wanted to take a photo from a window, and the guy who was sitting by the window was like, "Oh, do you want to swap?" I was like, "Oh, great." And that's where I started to record, and it was quite cool that I hold the phone all the way from there to Bergamo, which actually it's like it was I think 28 minutes, but because it's speeded up, it takes much less, and it was really cool. So, and that was a great example of, you know, how so often when something happens and it's not pleasant, this was just, you know, just that I had to pay more money. I still think it's a little bit a rip-off from Ryanair, you know, to charge so much money. It's almost like, I think they charge similar for when you have an extra bag and you forgot to check it in, and this was like for like 2 minutes process by the counter for a piece of paper. So like, good on you, Ryanair, to make money this way, but I guess we have to do when we want to fly with Ryanair. But yeah, as I said, I got this you know, this view and this experience. So as bad can turn to good, can turn to bad, can turn to good. It really depends how you look at it. And that's where I leave you today. It's a lounge car, so easy. I'm somewhere in Italy, and it's quite nice here. So I'm gonna carry on my walk. You have a beautiful day wherever you are, whatever you do, and I'll see you in the next one.